flood warning for the Skokomish River from minor to major severity. At 9:15 p.m. Saturday, the stage
Just
was
missed the
16.8
tones.
feet. The flood stage is 16.5 feet. Minor flooding is occurring and major flooding is forecast.
Major?
The river will continue to rise and crest near 17.8 feet around 11 a.m. on Sunday morning. To repeat, the flood warning for the Skokomish River has been upgraded from minor to major severity. Please continue to monitor the latest forecast.
Oh, jeez.
A high wind warning is in effect for the South Washington coast until 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this evening. Coastal communities will see south wind.
That... Oh my god, that literally scared the death out of me. Weird thing is WXM62 went off, but KHB60 did not, so those radios failed. Anyways, did not know it was going to be toned, but I guess it does when it's upgraded to major severity. So anyways,